The motherboard, often referred to as the main board or logic board, serves as the central nervous system of your computer. It's a complex and vital component that connects and controls all the other hardware components, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Let's delve into the world of motherboards and explore their essential components. 1. CPU socket. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, socket is a crucial part of the motherboard, where the processor is installed. It's designed to match the specific CPU socket type, ensuring compatibility. The CPU is often considered the brain of the computer, and its performance greatly influences the overall speed and capabilities of the system. 2. RAM slots, Random Access Memory, RAM, slots are where you install your computer's memory modules. RAM provides temporary storage for data that the CPU is actively using. The number and type of RAM slots on a motherboard determine the maximum amount and type of RAM you can install. 3. Expansion slots. Expansion slots allow you to add additional hardware components to your computer, such as graphics cards, sound cards, and network cards. The most common types of expansion slots are PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, slots, and older PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect, slots. 4. Power connectors. Motherboards have multiple power connectors, including the main 24-pin ATX power connector and an additional 4-pin or 8-pin CPU power connector. These connectors supply the necessary power to the motherboard and its components. 5. SATA ports. SATA, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, ports are used for connecting storage devices like hard drives and solid-state drives. These ports enable data transfer between the motherboard and storage devices. 6. USB headers. USB, Universal Serial Bus, headers are where you connect the front panel USB ports on your computer case. These ports are used for connecting various peripherals, such as keyboards, mice, and external storage devices. 7. BIOS/UEFI chip. The BIOS, Basic Input/Output System, or UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, chip contains firmware that initializes and configures the hardware components during the computer's startup process. It also stores the system settings and allows you to adjust them through the BIOS/UEFI setup. 8. CMOS battery. A small coin cell battery, often referred to as the CMOS battery, powers the motherboard's real-time clock and preserves BIOS/UEFI settings when the computer is powered off. It's responsible for retaining time, date, and other system preferences. 9. Onboard audio and networking. Many motherboards come with integrated audio and network controllers. These components allow you to connect speakers, headphones, and Ethernet cables directly to the motherboard without the need for additional expansion cards. 10. Heat sinks and cooling solutions. To keep critical components like the CPU and chipset cool, motherboards feature heat sinks and cooling solutions. These can include passive heat sinks, active fans, and even liquid cooling components in high-end motherboards. 11. Connectors and headers. Motherboards have a variety of connectors and headers for peripherals and internal components. These include fan headers, USB headers, front panel connectors for power buttons and LEDs, and more. The motherboard is the foundation upon which your computer is built. Its design, features, and compatibility with other hardware components greatly influence your system's performance and capabilities. When choosing a motherboard, it's essential to consider your specific needs and requirements, such as CPU compatibility, expansion slots, and connectivity options, to ensure a well-rounded and efficient computer system.